Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the essential maintenance tip every iPhone user should know to keep their device in top shape. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First thing first, keep your iPhone up to date with the latest software updates. Launch the Settings app and access the General menu. Tap on Software Update. If the update is available, tap on Update Now and enter your device password. After that, tap on Install Now. Next, keep your iPhone clean to avoid performance issues and maintain its appearance. Turn off your iPhone and unplug all the cables. Use a soft, slightly damp lint-free cloth to wipe down the exterior. Avoid getting moisture in any openings and never use cleaning products directly on the device. Let's optimize your battery health to ensure long-lasting performance. Launch the Settings app. Go to the battery and tap on Battery Health and Charging. Enable Optimize Battery Charging. Free up space by cleaning out apps and data you no longer need. Open Settings and go to the General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Review the list of apps and delete those you no longer use. Simply choose the app and tap Offload App. Hit Offload App to proceed. If you want to delete the app, tap on Delete App. Control which apps refresh in background to save battery and data. Go to the Settings and tap on General. Select Background App Refresh. Toggle off background refresh for apps that don't need it. Don't risk losing your data. Regularly backup your iPhone. Open Settings and tap on Apple ID at the top. Go to the iCloud and select iCloudBackup. Tap on Backup Now and ensure iCloudBackup is enabled. Regularly review your privacy settings to protect your data. Open Settings and go to the Privacy and Security. Review each category, for example, location services and contacts, and adjust permissions as needed. Speed up Safari by cleaning cache and disabling unnecessary extensions. Open Settings and go to the Apps. Scroll down and select Safari. Tap on Clear History and Website Data. While you are at it, disable unused extensions by selecting Extensions. Improve Face ID accuracy by setting up an alternative appearance. Open Settings and go to the Face ID and Passcode. Enter your device passcode. Tap on Set up an alternate appearance and follow the on-screen instructions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.